They're saying 4 to 7. Winter storm warning. Left the car home today. Yeah. Inch and a half so far. That's 4 inches right there. It's coming down. Now we might have enough to go play as soon as I get my boots on. Yeah, they just upgraded us. We were supposed to get 4 to 7 inches of snow. We're now in the 6 to 8 range. Might not be going to work tomorrow.
Live a little. Gotta take a sip.
I really want to get that off the trailer, but have it perfectly good. Yeah, this works. Whew. Yeah. Take a break. We'll check it out a little bit later. Motherfucker. I was unmotivated and now I just heard either a side-by-side or an ATV go by. Move, cat. That's 6 inches. Because when I scraped off before, that's another 2. This is what I scraped off before right here. That's 6 inches. Look at my 4-wheeler tracks already. From a little while ago. Like, you can't even fucking tell. It's 6:45 at night.